In today's video, we are going to cover how to create a board in monday.com. Begin by going to monday.com and signing in to your account. If you are already signed in, you can move straight to your workspace. The goal here is to get to the main area where your boards and workspace options are visible, since that is where the new board setup starts. Once you are inside monday.com, look to the left sidebar. This is where you will find navigation options for your workspace, including the control used to create something new. Click Add to open the creation menu. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it first so you can see the label clearly before selecting it. After you click Add, a menu will appear with different items you can create. From that menu, choose New Board. This opens the board creation window where you set the basic details for the board before it is added to your workspace. The next field is the board name. Type the name you want to use for your new board. This should be the title that will help you recognize the board later among your other projects, workflows, or team spaces. Enter the name directly into the board name field and check that it appears the way you want before moving on. After naming the board, choose its visibility. Monday.com gives you three options here: main, private, or shareable. Main boards are visible to everyone in the account who has access to that workspace. Private boards are limited to invited members. Shareable boards are meant for collaboration with people outside the account, depending on how your workspace is set up. Select the visibility option that matches how you want this board to be accessed. Once the visibility is set, move to the template choice. You can select Start from Scratch if you want a blank board, or you can choose a template if you want the board to begin with a specific structure. The choice here depends on whether you want a fresh layout or a pre-built format. Click the option you want to use and make sure it is selected before continuing. With the board name entered, the visibility selected, and the template choice made, the final step is to click Create Board. This confirms the setup and adds the board to your monday.com workspace. After a brief moment, the new board will open and you can begin working in it based on the structure you selected. Your new board is now created in monday.com.